Welcome back to 2025 Yes Rapid. Today, we dive into the cutting-edge world of automotive excellence with Auto Apex, a brand that is redefining speed, technology, and innovation. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech lover, or just someone who appreciates top-tier engineering, this is a video you won't want to miss. So, buckle up as we explore Auto Apex's vision for the future, its most advanced features, and how it's changing the way we think about performance cars in 2025 and beyond. Introduction to Auto Apex. Auto Apex has quickly made a name for itself in the high-performance automotive industry. With the focus on aerodynamics, artificial intelligence, and eco-friendly powertrains, this brand is pushing boundaries that once seemed impossible. The company started as a niche manufacturer, but in just a few years, it has evolved into a major player competing with industry giants. Their vehicles are not just fast, they're intelligent, efficient, and built for the future. Today, we'll break down what makes Auto Apex special, from its innovative design to the latest driving technology that sets it apart. Design and aerodynamics. Auto Apex has embraced a futuristic yet functional design philosophy. Every curve, edge, and vent is engineered for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. These cars don't just look aggressive, they are sculpted by science. The front fascia features an ultra-low drag coefficient, inspired by race cars but optimized for street use. The air intakes adapt dynamically, opening and closing based on speed and cooling needs. The rear features an active spoiler that adjusts in real time to balance downforce and speed. One of the standout features is the adaptive body panels, which shift slightly to reduce turbulence. This technology, once exclusive to Formula One, is now integrated into Auto Apex's road cars, giving them an edge over competitors. Powertrain and performance. Auto Apex vehicles are built to dominate in terms of speed, efficiency, and sustainability. The brand has developed a revolutionary hybrid powertrain that seamlessly blends electric and internal combustion power. At the core of their lineup is the Apex Drive V8T, a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with an advanced solid-state battery system. This combination delivers instant torque, rapid acceleration, and an electrifying top speed. The flagship model, the Apex X1, boasts an astonishing 1,200 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. The instant response of the electric motors eliminates turbo lag, providing a smooth and relentless surge of power. Additionally, Auto Apex has developed a regenerative braking system that not only enhances efficiency but also increases battery longevity, ensuring peak performance for longer periods. Smart driving technology. Performance is only one part of the equation. Auto Apex has integrated AI-driven technology to enhance the driving experience. One of the most impressive features is Apex Sense AI, an intelligent system that continuously learns from the driver's habits. It adjusts suspension settings, steering sensitivity, and throttle response in real time. For instance, if the AI detects aggressive driving on a twisty mountain road, it tightens the suspension for better handling. On the highway, it softens the ride for comfort. Another standout innovation is Autopilot Apex, a semi-autonomous mode that allows hands-free driving on highways. Unlike traditional autopilot systems, Auto Apex's version includes real-time hazard recognition, capable of predicting potential accidents before they happen using a combination of radar, lidar, and deep learning algorithms. This means smoother lane changes, better object detection, and an overall safer driving experience. Interior and infotainment. Step inside an Auto Apex vehicle, and you're greeted by a minimalistic yet futuristic cockpit. The fully digital dashboard features an ultra-wide OLED display that seamlessly integrates navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. The system, called Apex Vision HUD, uses augmented reality to project essential driving data onto the windshield. This eliminates distractions and ensures that drivers keep their eyes on the road. Voice commands and gesture controls further enhance the experience. Drivers can adjust climate settings, change music, or receive driving insights without taking their hands off the wheel. For audio feels, Auto Apex has partnered with Harman Kardon to develop an immersive 3D sound system that adapts to the cabin's acoustics, delivering an unmatched audio experience. Eco-friendly approach. Auto Apex is not just about speed, it's about sustainability. The company has adopted a carbon-neutral manufacturing process, utilizing recycled materials and renewable energy in production. Additionally, the hybrid powertrain significantly reduces carbon emissions without compromising performance. Unlike many high-performance cars that are gas guzzlers, Auto Apex vehicles strike a balance between power and responsibility. Beyond the vehicles themselves, the brand is investing in solar-powered charging stations and smart grids that allow energy-efficient recharging, making ownership even more sustainable. Autonomous Racing Program. Auto Apex isn't just focused on road cars, it's venturing into the world of autonomous racing. The brand has developed the Apex Race I, a self-driving race car that competes in high-speed circuits without a human driver. The I continuously learns from professional racers, perfecting racing lines, braking points, and acceleration timing. This groundbreaking technology is shaping the future of motorsports, where man and machine compete at new levels. While some purists may argue that racing should remain human-driven, Auto Apex believes that high-powered competition will push the limits of engineering, leading to better technology for everyday road cars. Customization and personalization. Auto Apex understands that every driver is unique, so they offer an unprecedented level of customization. Owners can fine-tune nearly every aspect of their vehicle, from performance settings to interior materials. The Apex Connect app allows drivers to switch between different driving modes, adjusting power output, suspension stiffness, and even the exhaust note. For those who love exclusivity, the bespoke Apex program offers handcrafted interiors, unique paint finishes, and even personalized AI assistants that learn your preferences over time. Global impact and future vision. Auto Apex isn't just building cars, it's shaping the future of mobility. The company is investing in next-gen hydrogen fuel cell technology, aiming to create cars that are completely emission-free without sacrificing power. Additionally, Auto Apex is working on Hyperloop-compatible vehicles, capable of integrating with futuristic high-speed transit systems for seamless intercity travel. Their long-term goal: to create an ecosystem where performance, sustainability, and smart technology coexist harmoniously, paving the way for a smarter, greener, and faster future. Final thoughts. Auto Apex has quickly become a game-changer in the automotive industry. With groundbreaking design, cutting-edge AI, and an eco-conscious approach, it's proving that high performance doesn't have to come at the cost of sustainability. From track-ready speed demons to intelligent daily drivers, Auto Apex is setting new standards for what's possible in 2025. What do you think about Auto Apex's vision for the future? Would you drive one of these revolutionary machines? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more exciting automotive content. Until next time, drive fast, drive smart, and stay ahead of the curve.